If you are leading operations or procurement in 2026, you already feel it. The old supply chain playbook no longer feels sufficient. The lowest cost is not always safest. Fastest supplier is not always most reliable. Diversification alone does not guarantee resilience. Something deeper has shifted. Not politically, structurally. There is a supply chain reset happening quietly. And the smartest American executives are not reacting emotionally. They are redesigning their systems. Today, I will explain what has changed and what disciplined leaders are doing differently to protect margin and stability. Let's break this down. From cost optimization to risk adjustment, before global volatility cycles, cost was not dominant metric. Now, risk-adjusted cost matters more. This means evaluating supplier stability, regional energy risk, transport predictability, financial exposure. The cheapest supplier is no longer automatically the smartest choice. Executives are recalibrating evaluation frameworks. Hybrid globalization strategy, the reset is not isolation, it is balance. Smart leaders are building domestic partial production, Asian scale production, secondary Southeast Asia capacity, regional warehouse buffers. This is layered design, not abandonment. Hybrid globalization increases flexibility. Relationships depth over transaction frequency. Executives are reducing unnecessarily supplier switching. Instead of constant rotation, they deepen fewer strategic partnerships. Why? Because stability improves negotiation under stress. Frequent switching creates fragility. Depth creates resilience. Inventory philosophy shift. Lean systems were dominant. Now, resilience is integrated. Companies hold strategic buffers, not excessive inventory, but calculated stability layers. Buffer strategy is no longer inefficiency, it is volatility insurance. Digital visibility and transparency. Smart leaders invest in visibility tools, real-time production tracking, supply performance analytics, inventory dashboards. Visibility reduces surprise. Surprise is expensive. Predictability increases control. Margin production through structure. The reset is not about increasing the price. It is about protecting margin through design. Leaders now negotiate frameworks agreement, stabilize freight structure, monitor supplier health, maintain currency awareness, integrate long-term planning. This is executive level supply chain thinking. The leadership mindset shift. 2026 rewards disciplined thinkers. Executives who think in multi-layer cycles. Design for volatility. Avoid emotional reaction. Operate in structural logic. The reset is psychological as much as operational. The supply chain reset is not crisis. It is maturation. Global manufacturing is evolving. American leaders who redesign structure now will build stability others struggle to maintain. The advantage belongs to calm architects, not reactive negotiators. Thank you for watching my video today, my channel, and have a lovely day. Bye now.